For the assembly of your HABA-Universal 100, you will need the following tools. For the right measurement of the door cutout, please reference your HABA door spec sheet and mark those measurements onto the wall. Now you can start with the cutting of the wall. First, drill a hole through the entire depth of the wall at each corner and finish the cutout of the door with a jigsaw. Before you continue with the assembly, remove the metal bar that was inserted for protection during transportation and the inside frame. The included assembly materials consists of fixing screws with matching cover caps and sealing tape. The necessary polyurethane foam is not included. Affix the sealing tape on the inside of the exterior frame. Make sure the tape is affixed consistently and without any separations. Now place the HABA-Universal 100 into the cutout frame. Open it and secure the door leaf with a wooden wedge. To set up the door horizontally, place the first screw on the top end and adjust the door with a second wooden wedge until you reach a horizontal position. Then set a second screw. Now set up the door vertically and secure it by using the rest of the screws. To avoid thermal bridges at the outside of the door, we recommend filling the frame with polyurethane foam. Make sure that the foam does not block the drain channel at the top of the door. Now the inner frame can be set into the cutout and secured with the included screws. Afterwards, seal the mounting holes with the matching cover caps. And last, remove the protective film from the door. Congratulations! Your HABA-Universal 100 is now ready for use.